try to record it. Okay, so let us start now again. So we have checked for this OTP reports, right? So we have checked for that dependent parameter as well. Let us check what are the options we have. Let me try to read that same invoice report which we built in the previous class. So this invoice date till it's showing it, right? What I'm doing is let me click on it. Let me try to edit the properties again. Okay, so here restore column properties default. Here we have option, right? The same way we might have it in previous. This is like for this invoice report base we have built this testing report, right? Let me try to check for the default properties in that cloned version. Okay, so let me go to the criteria tab. So the invoice amount only we have built it, right? So with the invoice amount, sorry, date, let me go to the column properties. Okay, I'm just making to restore column properties and click on OK. Okay, let me try to save this one. Let me check for the results. So still you are able to see these options, right? So let us check it in the original report. Let me try to edit it. Let me click on the criteria tab. Let me check for that invoice date properties. Okay. Let me try to click on the restore column to default. Let me click on OK now. Let me try to save it. Let me click on the catalog page. Let me try to open the report now, how it is reflecting. Okay. Instead of going there, let me click on edit and show the results. Let me click on the results. Go to edit options of that particular analysis. This analysis is called as a OTP reports, Oracle Transaction Business Intelligence Report. Okay. See, previously it's shown that red color, right? So the red color is not there now. Previously we have built with that format of red color, right? Column properties. Here we have built with the red color, right? It is not there now. Because we have moved it to restore column properties as a default. We have given it. You are able to see the difference, right? So if I say I just removed this one, let me try to save this for this all. Let me try to click on yes. Let me check for the result. So I have removed the border now, right? Let me click on the catalog. Let me go and open this report. See, the border got removed from here. Okay, let me try to edit this report now. Let me go to the criteria tab. The same invoice date. Let me create an edit tab. So this option is not there. This we have it in. Clear it and click on OK. Now I'm making as saving. Shut properties. Now I want to make it as a restore column properties, or this is restore column properties for this one. Okay. Let me click on OK. See, it's reverted it, right? Let me go back and check for the original report. Let me edit the report now. See, it went from here also. Okay, this is how it's like you can build only one report designing. Okay, then you can build it to other reports. Okay, so here if we say I am doing some format, still you have option to import your format from other reports. So if we say, so both the reports is now same, right? Let me, in testing report, what I am doing is testing report. Right, we are done. If you want to edit anything in this table, okay, anything in this table you want to edit, we have option for table edit. You are able to see the edit the table properties for that table. Okay, if you want to edit the table high level, so just click on edit. So table level you can edit it here. So what are the properties you want to say? So I'm making as a content page. Content page in the top I am giving as top content page. So each 10 record I want to print it in 9. See, you're able to see the 10 records, right? For the next 10 you can click on OK. Instead of showing all, you can give a 10, 10, 10, 10 batches. Okay. So if you want to edit any properties for that layout, okay, so here also you can just go ahead and you can do the format values. So if you doing only format here, so let us change the font color I'm making as a pink color. Okay, so the border I am making with this 4 border. This size so copy cell format, you can copy it from here. Let me click on save. Let me try to edit this format label and I have option to paste it. If I want to make it for the supplier also, I want to say do the same. Click on the format label values. Still you have option for paste. You can click OK. Let me try to hit done. Let me click on the save. Okay. Let me go back to the catalog. The catalog page, I am trying to edit the original report, invoice report. Here you have option for import formatting from other analysis. Just I am importing here. So just I am importing this testing analysis here. See, it got changed now. Yes. Everything it got changed. So if you want to import anything, you can still you have option to import from other analysis. Whatever you have designed there, it's reflected here. Let me try to save it. If you see again, I'm going back to that testing. Okay. Now what I'm doing is the supplier column properties. Okay. I'm just making as you are not able to see why. Because you have edited inside the table. Right. Do you remember where exactly you have edited? Inside the table I have edited. Either it will be there in that level or it will be there in this level. Format values I have edited it. Okay, so supplier I am making as clear. So supplier I am not making any changes. Okay, so position I am giving as a none. Supplier I didn't make any change, and the same way invoice date I don't want to change anything. Okay, if you're checking result, only I have changed the supplier and invoice date in this color. Let me click on done. Let me try to save it. Okay, let me create a new analysis. payable, the same payable invoice transaction, I'm doing it. So I'm choosing the same data model, right? Now I'm taking as a business unit name, I'm taking it, and invoice details, general information, invoice amount, invoice date, I'm taking it, identify PO also I'm taking it, invoice date we already took it, invoice ID I'm taking it, okay, and that invoice amount I'm taking it, and invoice amount paid I'm taking it. Let me check for the result now. I didn't take the supplier now, right? So let me try to import now. Let me try to import from this testing. Check for the result. You're able to see the difference.
Yes.
So only the invoice amount I given as a border. Okay, remaining all the fields.
So this one is important.
Sorry.
This one is
this. Take your hand. This one is import. Import formatting analysis from other end. See, only for the invoice date, I'm having the border. Remaining everything, I didn't have any borders. Right. Leave. I'm not saving it. Again, let me try to open this testing, editing. So we have different options. Okay. For importing or doing a format, because no need to do the same thing to formatting to each and every report. Okay, that's the reason we have a different. So this supplier I given as a normal one, that's the reason we are getting a normal one, right? So if I say invoice amount here I have, right? I am taking the business unit now. Instead of business unit, I am taking as business unit last name. Okay, updated by identifier. Whatever I am just taking it. See business unit identifier. Updated by not there. Identifier have some. So identifier, I'm doing some formatting here. Column properties, I am making as black color. Column properties, custom, border color I am giving as some color I am giving it. So only this two border I want to make it in this color. Okay, let me check for the result now. So this one I am giving as a border. Okay, see you are able to see the border, right? Let me try to save. Let me create a new analysis.
So when save, after save, we can remove it only for delete option.
No, you can remove it. After saving it, you can remove it. I am trying to take a invoice from other data model. Okay. Other module, other subject area I am taking it. Here also I have a business unit.
We can go and see the
saved one, no? I show you, right? Let me show it again. Distribution, invoice detail I am taking it. General information, invoice amount. The general information I am taking as invoice date, invoice creation date, okay, invoice description I'm taking it, and also I'm taking as invoice ID, invoice number. Okay, now I'm trying to import my analysis now. Okay, I'm trying to import it now. So before importing, this was the result. Okay, I'm importing from invoice testing. If you are able to see the difference. Either I can take it from this test instance, I am just importing it now. From test, I am importing it. You are able to see the difference now. Got it?
Good.
If you want to import from previous one, you can try to import it. So that's why you can build one common one, okay, and you can use across your reports. Got it?
Good.
So you're clear on with formatting and all, right? So if you're checking the properties, so these properties we have imported, right? So invoice ID, what else we have covered? Invoice date and business unit identifier now. So invoice date, let me check it here, properties. So it is not there. Then where it will be? Any idea? So what happened, man?
Because of climate.
It's not because of climate. Let me edit it then. Okay. Let me go to here. We have option. So invoice number only I have edited it, right? Invoice number, invoice date, everything it was formatted. See here we are able to see the changes. If you want to change the header, so still we have option for header. Header I want to make it with pink color. I don't want any border. Click on OK. See it got changed to pink color. Okay. So this is how you can do your modification and layout change in OTBA reports. So if you're checking in advanced here, okay, it will give you the logical SQL statement. Okay, so I'm just taking the select statement now. Say from select I'm taking it. I just copy it. Let me create an analysis. I will see the create analysis from simple logical SQL. Click on SQL. Click on OK.
It is clear.
With the logical also, I have created. Okay, this is how you can create it. So this one I have created with my logical. If you are checking in advanced here, you will see the result. Okay, here it started with 0 as 0. That's the reason it's showing as 0 as 0. If you remove this one, so it will fetch only the 75,000 rows at the beginning. Click on analysts. Here you can take it. Okay, let me try to enter one. Select invoice num from AP invoices, which will be using in BA report. It's giving me an error. So it's showing that the subject area is not there. It's searching for subject area with contact with AP invoices. Okay, but actually it's a table from database. So only you have to write your logical query here, okay, to build your OTBA reports.
Okay. Logical query.
So logical query which is generated here, right? So this is logical query, logical SQL query, which is automatically generated.
That is Oracle development, not.
Let me see. Let me remove this one. Okay. Let me put as a star now. I have edited it. Okay. Let me click on save. Let me create. Let me create analysis. With analysis, I'm just creating with.
So when you are save means that will remove right previous.
I didn't get you what?
Just now you are edited, right?
I edited from text box one, not from the previous report. It's loading.
Sir, you're doing night shift. I need day shift. When I join. Next month, first to end. Almost totally I will search in jobs.
So I have created a little star, right?
Yes.
So let me check what exactly it is there in the criteria tab.
It is not here.
I should not give a star because see how many columns we have. It will hang, it will die. I just given as a star, right? So I didn't give any values. Only the invoice amount is greater than 1000. I am fetching the star, only the star. Because I didn't given the proper column name which is already defined by Oracle. Okay, if you are checking here, so here they have defined this, just I given as a star. They have defined the column name like this. So this is from subject area. This is a subject area. Okay, dot. This is your column name. So like star, we are not getting any. Okay, that's the reason we are getting error. Got it?
Got it.
Let me click on the catalog. Let me click on the. So this is the basic of OTBA. So you're clear with it, right?
Yes.
So you don't have any problem in OTBA reports. So if you want to, I want to build a chart. Okay, instead of table format, I don't like this table format, so I want to build a one chart format. So for that we have option. So we have a mini chart which they have prepared it. Okay, so just I click on some. See this and all we have. Pivot table. Let me click on the bar chart because it's returning more records, right? That's the reason it's giving error. Let me filter with one supplier now. Okay, column properties where I can filter with filter. I can give. Let me choose only 2 suppliers now. As for now, click. Okay, let me click on the result now. You got your table.
Yes.
You got your chart. Okay, if you want to edit it, just click on edit option. So this edit option is only for the chart. So invoice. I'm building it. So let me put a supplier legend. Right. This is the problem here, man. You cannot move directly here and there. It will irritate you like anything. Depends upon invoice number. Invoice number I'm making as a ledger. If you want to exclude this column, you can put it in exclude also, invoice amount. Okay. So with invoice date, let me put it as legend as invoice date now. I don't want to group by. I'm not grouping by anything. Okay. Let me just remove this exclude. I'm just excluding the invoice date as well. So it will show you the invoice number for that supplier. Okay. Else this supplier I can give it here. Okay. This invoice number I'm making it in measure columns. So, you're able to see the difference, right?
Yes.
Right. Let me click on OK. So I have my table and I have my graph. Right. So if you are able to see one more thing, which is performance styles. Performance style is nothing but in single way it will show you the result. Okay. So I'm just showing as an invoice amount as my performance style. If you want to change, I click on edit or analytics. Okay. So I want to choose this one. So it's chosen as this value. Okay. Instead of invoice amount, okay, if you want to make anything, you can put that column also. So if you want to go with your primary ledger, or if you want to go with any manager or kind of thing, you can do it. Okay. So this value I have put it as invoice amount. So if you want to edit it, you can go ahead and you can edit yours. Okay. Let me click on OK. So here it came now. Let me delete this table. I have deleted this table. If you are delete from this table, till the table will be here. If you want to move it here, it will come here.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, now. So now what I'm going to do is, click on save. Let me check, just try to explore it. So here we have another view also. Okay. So other view, let me check what exactly it is there. So there are many things they have created. Okay. Whatever you want to, you can use it here. Okay. Let me check for that view selector. Okay. I have chosen my view selector now. Let me try to edit it now. Okay. In my view selector, just I am choosing my graph and my table. Only these two I am choosing it. Okay. Let me click on done. So now what I'm doing is, I'm going to delete this graph. I'm going to delete this performance types. I'm going to delete this one. Let me try to save it. Let me try to open, because I have in my view selector, I given both. Right. So let me try to open it. Hey, which report we have modified it, man? This thing. This only we have modified it. We forgot to remove that invoice number. That's fine then. Let me try to remove it once. Okay. Let me try to remove this. This only we have edited it, right? Invoice report only we have edited it, right?
So just a minute, I will place questions.
1 second, let me complete this one. Okay, 1 second. Let me close it actually. Maybe it's a time actually. So let me try to remove this too. Okay. Just let me save it. Okay, let me try to open it. So without parameter, I am just opening this report. We are opening here. See, you are able to see the difference, right?
Yes.
So either you want to table, you can choose. Either you want to graph, you want to choose. Okay. Just let me save it on. Okay.
Okay.
Then let me create one more analysis. So what I'm doing is I'm just creating a payable invoice. Under the payable invoice, I'm trying to choose more. I'm trying to choose my business unit name. Where is it? Business unit name. And then let me try to choose the invoice details. Invoice detail general information. So under the general information, I'm just choosing my invoice date and my invoice ID and invoice number. Okay, then to measure the column, I am choosing as invoice amount. So whatever that I am doing is invoice amount, I am choosing it, invoice amount paid, I am choosing it, and discount taken, I am just choosing it. Let me check for the result now. Okay, let me try to install the performance styles now. Let us check which one it's taking it. We are checking it, it's taking as a discount amount. Let me try to edit it. So whatever the column you want to choose, you can choose it from there. Okay. Let me try to done this. See, so here, so I have created one more analysis. Okay, here I have chosen the different measured column. Okay, now I want to create on performance types. Check for my performance types. So it will in the single page, it will give you the result. If you're checking here, it's showing as an invoice amount. Okay, let me click on edit. So instead of invoice amount, so you can choose something else also. So whatever it is there in your table, right? That is reflecting here. So instead of invoice amount, whatever the measured column is there, it will reflect into your performance types. This just I'm keeping it, just I'm saving it. Analysis, invoice performance types. Okay, let me try to save. Let me go for the catalog page. Invoice performance style, right? Let us click on the open. So you are able to see only the performance styles. If you want to edit it, you can go ahead and you can edit it. Okay, let me choose the performance. Let me choose the view selector now. So we have option for insert, other view, legend. We have many options, man. Okay, so there are implementing day to day. So logical SQL is a standard legend view selector, column selector. Let me choose a view selector. Under view selector, view selector it came, but if you are checking edit option, so I can choose tiles 1 and tiles 2, and let me choose my legend as well. Let me try to save. Let me click on save button. Let me try to open this new report now. Let's see how it is showing me. Okay. So here it is showing us our performance type 1. This is performance type 2. This is the legend option. Okay. So this is you can build your performance types in OTB reports. What I'm taking is only the basics. It's not into deep into OTB. So just you want to know the technical things as part of a mention guide, you should know something in the related to the technical. Okay. So that's the reason I'm just taking your technical parts as well. Okay. As part of a column selector.
So these are all.
What is this?
This is data fetching.
This is for refresh. I don't touch man. This is touch screen man. This is refreshing a data. So if you want to preview it, you can go ahead and you can click on preview. review your results. Okay, got it?
Got it.
So you're clear on with OTP reports now. So you are the expert.
Not export.
Expert of vacancy.
There is many more options. Is there? I know a little bit.
We have more, I can see.
Import like.
This is busy, man. So only for drag and drop, which is used for your clients. That's it. Okay. Okay, let's start the class now. Okay, so you're clear with this OTP reports, right? This is the simple for OTP.
Supplier creation. We have not created till now. Supplier creation.
I'm covering a technical part now. Once this is done, I have to cover AP and ER. That still we have a pending, man.
Okay.
So it's a long class, right? So I want to cover this technical part in one class. So if I cover it in big class, you will not understand it. That's the reason the single class I want to cover it, all the technical part. Okay. So this is how you can create your OTB reports. Okay. So then next class we will check for this how to create a BA reports. Okay. So this is OTB reports. In the OTB we have a dashboard also. So dashboard is nothing but, so if you are clicking on dashboard, the single page it will show everything. That is called as a dashboard. Okay. So if I want to in my just click on dashboard, right? Let me show you what exactly is. My dashboard name is Magesh. Okay. Magesh dashboard. Add a content. Either you want to add a content now or you want to add it later. So I'm saving it. I'm just saving it financial dashboard. Click on OK. It's asking for giving a different name. So apps library, just I have created my dashboard. So this is your dashboard. Okay, so here if you want to, you can play around it. This is for alert section. This is the action link. So in the action link, for all the properties you want to set it, you can set it. Let me set some properties. So this alert is nothing but whenever system get alert for you, right? So it will give you the alert. Link text is invoice report. Okay. Caption. So what I'm doing, what action I'm taking it. So invoke my BA content. Okay. So I'm invoking my BA content. So in the prod, so I'm taking as invoice report here. Let me click on OK. Click on OK. So always I'm opening it. Okay. Open either you can open in the window, okay, or you can open in the same window. So I'm taking one more action link. So in that action link, what I'm doing is another second layout. Okay. Caption also caption second. Okay. So here I am building with your BA report. The BA report I am taking as testing report now. Click on OK. Now, okay. So here I am not opening with a new window. Click on OK now. Let me try to share with my dashboard. Okay. I have saved my dashboard. So here the page is one for my dashboard. Okay. The dashboard properties. If you want to change the page, if you want to change anything here, you can go ahead, you can change it. This is for permission. This is for delete option. Okay. Let me click on OK. Let me run this my dashboard now. See, we're able to see two different now. Okay, invoice report. If you click on the invoice report, it's opening in the different window. If you are clicking on the testing, it opening in the same window. Got it?
Got it.
This one will open in the different window. This is the action link I am giving it. What action I am taking for as part of it.
So this one, letting.
Sorry?
Caption second.
That caption detail I given it, right? Label I given it, right? Here that name, caption name I given it. This is only fitting there. I'm making yes testing. Testing 1. Second one I'm making yes testing 2. Click on OK. Save and run your dashboard now. Are you able to see the difference? Testing 1 and testing 2. Got it?
Got it.
If you want to create a one more page, okay, still you have option, the dashboard properties, you can create, here you can create another properties. Another page also you can create it. If you want a multiple page, okay, you can create your multiple page here. Okay, I'm creating one more page. I'm creating Magesh page 2. Okay, second page it came. Okay, instead of action link, I'm choosing action menu link. I'm checking for the properties now. Okay, label name I'm giving as Magesh label, Magesh captions. Okay, then here I'm just invoking it. How I'm invoking is report 1. I'm just giving as report 1. What action I'm taking it? Navigate to BA. First report I'm choosing it. Okay, without time condition I'm just passing it. The same way I'm just asking as report 2. What I'm doing is navigate to content BA. So I'm taking my second report. Click on OK. 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 My second report now it is ready. Let me click on run. My case label it came. See, it's showing a two difference. Which one you want to choose? Either you want to testing, you want to choose. It will show you the testing report. You can go back. If you want to choose as performance times, it will choose. So link you are giving. If you click on the link, it will show you the option. Okay. So clicking on Magesh page 2. So now you can split your dashboard, depends upon your selection. So I'm just creating a column. That side I'm creating a column. And the same way within that side I'm just creating a section. Okay. The column properties, background color I'm making as pink color. Click on OK. Under the section, I am just permission format rename section 1. Okay, either you want to, how you want to show this section, you want to split, you can split it. Let me save, let me run it. See here the second section is showing here, right? But here there is no content at all in that, right? That's the reason it's not showing that report. Settings.
Format section.
Let me pull one column within that section. And it's waiting somewhere. And let me do instead of that one, I'm just putting one link here. Let me go for the link properties. So here you can choose your analysis also. Let me put my analysis here. Invoice report I'm taking it. Okay. The current window I'm choosing it. Let me click on OK. Let me save. Let me try to run the report now. Invoice report it came. Clear?
Yes.
So this is how you can create your dashboard. Okay.
Okay.
Let me go back to the home page.
How long is this?
Either 2 or 2:30. Yeah. So this is how you can, my dashboard only you have customized it, right? Your dashboard only. Library, whatever you are saving, it will show you the existing dashboard. So here, Magesh dashboard I have created in my library, right? Got it? So this is the second page. Okay. Let us continue.